A couple of weeks ago, I had an email from one of the ladies who's on my email list, and she was asking me basically, I suffer really badly with period pains and menstrual cramps. Is there anything that you can suggest in terms of Qigong as to what I can do? And of course, this got me thinking this would be a great idea for a video because it's such a common problem. All of us know, if we're not the person ourselves suffering, all of us know someone who is suffering or does suffer on a regular basis with period pain. And this can take the form of cramps, of shooting, stabbing pains, of bloating, breast tenderness, and general overall kind of misery and emotional fragility as well. So I thought it would be a great idea to talk to you today about how Qigong can help to relieve period pain for you and just make life a little bit easier once a month. My name is Janice Tucker and I'm a practitioner of traditional Chinese medicine and medical Qigong. I'm also the founder of the Space to Relax online program of Qigong video lessons. And just before we get started, if you're watching this video on YouTube, then hit the red subscribe key just to subscribe to my channel, and that way you won't miss any future health enhancing videos that I post, and I usually post them every couple of weeks. So what's the impact of menstrual cramps or period pain on our lives? For those of you who suffer with this, you absolutely know what that impact is, but it can range from a cramping or a dull kind of ache to a real shooting, stabbing pain that can cause you to be doubled up in agony. It can cause you to feel very faint, almost like you want to pass out. And people who suffer really badly with period pains often miss days of work. They just feel like they can't function at all. They have to go to bed, or they have to take fairly strong pain medication in order to deal with that. So what can we do to help alleviate period pain or help to stop it from occurring in the first place? As many of you will know, this can be a really depressing experience to have this and know that it's going to happen month after month after month after month. So it's great to have a few ideas of exercises that you can do to help things along. And luckily, Qigong lends itself really well to helping with period pain. The first thing you can do is basically any Qigong exercise which involves movement. And the reason for that is that movement brings more blood flow to the uterus, it brings more Qi or energy into that area, and it unblocks any blockages in the circulation which might be causing a stagnation, and that stagnation is the thing that causes your pain. So for any of you who suffer with blood clots during your period, the clots are actually the stagnation. It's where all the blood has congealed and got stuck, and that's what can cause the pain as you pass those clots. So what we're looking for is any kind of movement that will open up the pathways of Qi flow, especially into that area of the uterus. The second thing you can do is a method called Discharge Qi with vibration, or Discharge Waste Qi with vibration. And that exercise is the third one in a 3-part video series, which is free to you. And I'll tell you how to get it later on in this video. But this method is great because it gets rid of any waste Qi or any stagnant Qi which might be causing your pain. It's very simple to do. It takes 2 or 3 minutes, really, really easy to learn, and it's actually really good fun too. So it's a great example of a moving Qigong exercise which can help you. And the third thing you can do is refer to a previous video of mine, which is called Qigong for cleansing. This method is in my paid membership program, but there's also kind of a shorter version of that and a briefer description of it in a previous video of mine. So I'll put the link to that next to this video, and you'll see that it's a really very useful method to move any waste Qi out of your body, and you'll feel so refreshed after doing this. You feel much more energized, much less tired, and hopefully in much less pain once you've got into a regular routine of practicing this on a daily basis if you can. It only takes 2 minutes, so it's very easy once you've learned it. So what can you do next? If you want to take things to the next level in terms of your Qigong practice and really start to use Qigong for health benefits, for dealing with things such as period pain, then head over to my homepage, which is spacetorelax.com. And this is where you can sign up for the free 3-part video series. Remember, lesson 3 is the discharge with vibration method that I was talking to you about earlier. And this series will be delivered to your email over the course of around a week. And at the end of that series, you'll get messages from me to just show you how to sign up for the paid membership program if that's something you want to do. And that program really takes your Qigong to the next level because it's a whole health management system. It deals with many different health conditions as well as enabling you to calm and clear your mind very easily. And there are 50 videos in that paid program over the course of a year. So I would encourage you to head over to the homepage, sign up for the free video series, and that'll get you started. The second thing is, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, just hit the red button next to the video, and that way you won't miss any future health enhancing videos from me. And the third thing you can do is head over to Facebook, where I have a free group called Space to Relax Free Group. And in that group, I post regular Qigong articles, I post my videos, but anything I come across myself online that I think you'll all be interested in, then I put that in the group. And you also have the opportunity to ask me any questions about Qigong in that group. I'm in there most days, so I'm absolutely delighted to help you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and it's given you a few ideas about how you can use Qigong to help with menstrual cramps and period pain. And if you liked the video, please give it a like and leave a comment and let me know what you do to relieve period pain, because everyone has different tips and different ideas. And if you share them with me, then I'll be able to share them with other people and that will benefit everybody. So until next time, I'll see you in the next video.